Okay, ready to stop watching tutorials and land your first AI client? Let's turn passive learning into active earning.
We've all been there, right? Binge watching AI tutorials, but never actually taking action to land real clients.
Seriously, stop waiting to feel ready. The AI landscape moves crazy fast, so you gotta start taking action today.
You really don't need months of prep. Honestly, just a dedicated 10-day sprint gets you that first paying client.
Forget the hype and coding myths. What you actually need is a simple, practical, step-by-step system.
So here's the exact 4-step action plan to build your AI freelance business completely from scratch. Step 1, pick a high-demand service, like custom AI chatbots. You want to guarantee a paying market exists.
Zero experience? No problem. Just build your portfolio instantly with mock projects or offer free tools to local businesses.
Next, skip the broad marketing. Find your specific audience and directly pitch how your AI solves their exact problems.
Finally, deliver amazing results. A happy first client almost always turns into recurring monthly revenue and awesome referrals.
You can find this entire framework in the Amazon book 10 Days to Make Money with AI. It's a game changer.
So your 10-day sprint starts today. What specific AI service are you going to offer first?